Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make copper zombie superhero skin, only ways. Start by prepping clean skin, applying a safe primer, and using alcohol-activated copper pigments for durability. Layer metallics with matte tones for depth, seal each layer with thin setting spray, and add healed wounds with green-black patina for age. Finish with translucent gloss only on highlights to mimic oxidized metal and torn fabric edges. Work in thin layers and patience. Start by laying out all your materials so you can focus on each layer without rushing. Clean the skin area thoroughly, then apply a thin primer to help pigments bind. Mix metallic copper with a matte base for better depth and work from light to dark tones, sealing each stage with a fine setting spray. Keep tools clean between colors to avoid muddying the copper finish. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings dramatic audio for your transformation reveals and sets the mood while you work. It's small, affordable, and sounds bigger than it looks, perfect for backdrop music during makeup sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work patiently, blending edges with soft brushes and sponges to avoid harsh lines. Use matte shades in recessed areas and reserve bright copper highlights for raised planes like cheekbones and brow ridges. Introduce green-black patina sparingly to suggest oxidation and age, focusing on lower edges and wounds. Seal with a light setting spray, then add targeted gloss to mimic polished or torn metal for believable superhero zombie skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.